Hi guys, it's another YouTuber. Today we are playing Meep City on Roblox. Today we are fishing. This is like one of the slowest ways to get money. This is like a way to get money on Meep City, but it's not a good way. It takes forever. It's so slow. Look at that. It's gonna move. Oh, okay, I haven't even catch the wrong thing yet. That's way too far. Hey guys, it's gonna be. Oh, yes, I got my first one. A solid bright green fish. Yeah, I catch another one. A wooden sea green fish. Why do I keep on catching green fish? I didn't even try and catch this, but I catch this solid bright violet fish. I'm so bad at fishing. I need to get better. There we go, guys. We've got the icy baby blue fish. Rate 5 ibs. There it was. And I catch the grassy olivine fish. What a fish! It's worth 34 coins, guys. You know what, guys? I'm just gonna aim for this fish here. See what? Oh my god! What is that glitch? Yo! Got it with a neon orange fish. That'll be the final fish we're gonna catch today. Now, guys, we will go to our beloved pet shop. So yeah, guys, remember to subscribe to my channel. We're not in a good state at the moment. I'm getting hardly any new subscribers, and I'm not getting any new viewers a day either. And you need to put in the comment sections what you want to see more. I've got suggested FIFA, so we'll do some more FIFA videos soon. Also, guys, soon I will do a video on playing T-Rox on my computer. You guys seem like you want it. So sell your fish. So 44 coins. Sell fish. Yeah, I got some more coins, guys. So guys, please like, subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you in your next video. So yeah, guys, I'll see you next time. Remember to subscribe. Bye for now.